Dear students, we are going to discuss the subject Strategic Human Resource Management for the 5th SEM BBA of Bangalore North University. We are going to discuss the establishing of strategic pay plans and objectives of international compensation. A recap of the previous class. Compensation trends. Learning objective of this chapter. The objective of this chapter is to provide an understanding of establishing strategic plans. Session outcome. The student will be able to discuss the objectives of international compensation. Objectives of international compensation. Number one, attract the employees who are qualified and interested in international assignments. Thus, the compensation policy works to attract and retain staff in the areas where the multinational has the greatest needs and opportunities. Number two, it should facilitate the movement of expatriates from one subsidiary to another, from home to subsidiaries, and from subsidiaries to back to home. To achieve this policy, one must be competitive and recognize factors such as incentives to foreign service, tax equalization, and reimbursement for reasonable cost. Number third, provide a consistent and reasonable relationship between the pay levels of employees at headquarters and domestic affiliates and foreign subsidiaries. The policy must be made cost effective by reducing unnecessary expenses. It must give due consideration to equity and ease of administration. Other objectives. Beside the above major objectives, the international employee will also have number of objectives that need to be achieved from the firm compensation policies. The employee will expect the policy offers financial protection in terms of benefits, social security, and living cost in the foreign location. The employee will expect that a foreign assignment will offer opportunities for financial advancement through income on savings. The employees will expect the issues such as housing, education of children, and recreation will be addressed in the policy. Determining equitable wage. Determining equitable wage rates in many countries is no simpler matter. One of the greatest difficulties in managing total compensation on multinational level is establishing a consistent compensation measure between countries that builds credibility both at home and abroad. There are four basic approaches to the compensation. Basic approaches to the compensation are HQ-based model, that is, expatriates are paid according to the headquarters compensation structure. Modify home country model. Expatriates are paid according to the home country salary structures, and their living standard is protected so as to be comparable to the home country or same other chosen standard. Better of home or host model. Expatriates receive the higher of the home country system or the host country system. Students, here are certain references.